Did you know that just one spoonful of this simple ingredient can make your plants grow like crazy? And most people have no idea about it. Today, I'm going to show you an amazing trick for a natural fertilizer that works wonders on vegetables, fruits, flowers, and plants like tomatoes, onions, garlic, peppers, and cucumbers. The best part? You probably already have everything you need at home, and it takes only a few minutes to prepare. This method is a bit unusual, but from just one spoon, you'll get a rich and powerful dose of nutrients for your plants. Start by taking 1 tablespoon of regular oatmeal and grind it into a fine powder using any grinder. This step is important. It helps the nutrients release much faster into the soil. Oatmeal is like a hidden gem for gardeners. It's packed with nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, essential elements for strong, healthy growth. It also improves the structure of your soil and feeds the beneficial microorganisms that help your garden thrive. And thanks to its mild, neutral pH, it's suitable for a wide variety of plants without throwing off the balance of the soil. What makes this fertilizer truly special is its slow release power. That means your plants get a steady, long-lasting supply of nutrients instead of a quick boost that fades fast. And guess what? It's incredibly cheap, almost free. Once you grind the oats, mix the powder into half a liter of warm water. Let it sit for a few hours so all the nutrients infuse into the liquid. Then strain it through cheesecloth or a fine sieve to get a clean solution. By the way, let us know in the comments where you're watching from. We love hearing from you. Now dilute this concentrated mix with another liter and a half of water. That gives you a full 2 liters of nutrient-rich fertilizer, all from just 1 spoonful of oats. Isn't that amazing? We suggest using this mixture to water your plants once a month, either before planting or shortly after, to give them the best possible start. If you found this tip helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel. It's completely free, and we share something useful every single day. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.